today we'll be discussing about option buying strategies and the techniques that you have to follow in an intraday or you are carrying it positionally. Okay, so this video will be very interesting. I will back test it with all the option strike price of the Nifty and Bank Nifty maybe. So just let us concentrate on at which particular point we should do option buying, and we can do, option buying is very useful. I know it because people are getting attracted to it because very much less amount investment is there, right, and profit is very high. So I would like to say you that okay, go for option buying, no issues with it, but be very focused on what I teach you today. Okay, this particular technique you have to follow, otherwise you cannot make money in option buying. That assurity I am giving you like 100%. Okay, you cannot make money until and unless you follow this particular technique. Okay, so this video will be very interesting, just keep on following it. So for example, see, what is a opportunity of going for short and long in the market? That totally depends upon our price action and the indicators or the signals which we follow, right? So for example, last day in our community it was described like if this particular trend line, I drew one trend line and I have given one particular trade, right? So if Nifty crosses about 14,040, we can go long on Nifty, right? So just let us understand one thing. So if we are going long at 14,040, right, and it has given 14,900 as the high, right? So if you buy future, you will get money. Okay, no issues with it. If you short the put options, you will get money, right? If you buy the call option, then also you will make money. Okay, and I can guarantee you the difference won't be very much, but if you make a wrong entry to the wrong strike price, then the difference will be huge. Okay, that only I'm going to show you today. So we'll back test it, we'll go back and just run the candles, we can understand what happened. Okay, so now let us focus on two things. Which strike price should we buy? Okay, everyone like knows about at the money and out of the money and in the money, right? And those who don't know that also I will discuss, no problem. For just couple of seconds I will discuss it. So now let us focus and see what are the results, right? So particularly in this trend line, I gave you a trade here, right? So 14,840. So above 14,840 you can long in Nifty, right? So that trade, how to execute if you are planning to buy options, right? So let us go to this particular candle. Okay, I will shift this particular time frame slowly like this so that you can understand how it is moving, right? Okay, so at this particular point of time, I saw a trend line over here. I drew the trend line. I saw multiple time it was taking resistance in this trend line, so I was expecting for it to break up. Okay, because the market was already corrected a lot, right? So here what I had suggested is, see, now the price is 14,835, right? I told to go long on 14,840 and above, right? So here next candle I got an entry, right? See this in this candle, right? So what was the price? 14,840, 45, like this the candle sustained. Okay, now the most important thing is, people who are having capital, it's no problem, they will go for futures, right? Or those who are like having capital, they will go and sort the particular puts over here. Okay, the below side puts they will sort. Okay, now what will the option buyers do? Okay, the option buyers either will buy a 14,900 call or a 15,200 call, they will buy that particular call, or 14,600 call they will buy. Okay, so which strike price should we select? That matters a lot. Okay, so now let us see an example. For example, now I'm planning to buy 14,950 call. Okay, so for 14,900 call I'm showing you. So see, 14,900 call, this is the 14,900 call price. What was the price in this particular candle? It was around 80 to 85 rupees, right? So here if you see, I have written this particular thing. So 14,900 price, what was it? 83. And what was our future price? 14,850. Just let us first take the entries, okay, for each of the strike price. So here 14,900, this is the chart for 14,900. If we see, the price is at 85 rupees. So 14,900, see, 83 rupees is the entry point I have marked here. Now next, let us come to 14,950. Okay, so 950, if you see, this is the particularly 950, right? 950 call option I have plotted. What is the entry price? 63. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so see, this is the 64 price, right? So here also I'm taking an entry in this particular thing. So 64 or 64 4, right? 64 or 63, anything, right? So next we'll take an entry on 15,200 call, that is here, right? So 15,000, okay, 15,100 call, that is this one. So what is the price? 23. Okay, so let me just correct it quickly. 15,100 call. Okay, so in 15,100 call we took an entry at 23 rupees here, right? And similarly we'll take one more entry. Okay, this will be very interesting. That is 14,600 call. Okay, that is far in the money call, okay, call option, right? So 14,600, let me find out. 14,600, see, around 277 rupees, 265 rupees there, right? So 277 or 270, like this price. So here also we took an entry, right? So our entries are very much on point, right? So we have taken entries in 14,600 put call option. We have taken entries in 14,900 call option. We have taken entries in our future. We have taken in another call and another call option, right? So all this call option we have taken an entry. Now let us see the exit point. So first our target will be this one, 14,000. Wait just a second. So first our target will be 14,872, and our next target will be this one, 14,900 or 905, right? Because it was the day's high that would act as a resistance, right? So just let us just see, suppose that our trade is successful, that is 14,900, right? So just I'm scrolling up and checking whether 14,900 is achieved, right? So here 14,900, you can see it is achieved, right, this particular time. And if you see, this is the particular highest point, right, in a particular that day's session, right? So just see, Nifty highest is 14,900, right, 14,900. So here I have marked the high price only, because that will be the maximum point, so that you can understand how much profit would I get in which trade, right? So 14,900 is the price here. Okay, now let us go and check the other prices, other call options prices. So see, 14,900, right, this particular call, that is again at 104 or 105, like that, right? So 14,000. So here if you see this 14,900 call, right? So yeah, 14,900 call, and this is 14,950 call. So 950 call, if you see, this is at 69, this is at 80 rupees, right? So here 14,950, see the highest price we wrote at 80 call, 80, right? This one. Again we go for this 14,900 call. What is the highest price? 104 rupees, 102 rupees, 3 rupees, right? That, right? So here I have written the high price also. Okay, so now let us come to 14,600 call. So 14,600 call, what is the highest price? That is near about 307 rupees. So this is 14,600 call. Yeah, so this is 307 rupees. Okay, so 306 rupees, right? And the next one will be 14,100 call. Okay, so 14,100 call, what is the high price? That is 30 rupees, right? So here also I have written here 30 rupees. Okay, now so now according to our chart, our target is complete, no issues with it. Now let's forget about the chart. So from this particular area we have taken the trade, this whole area, okay, just hold on a second. So this particular area we have making a profit, right? So this particular area, so this particular area our target was achieved, that I would say. So now in this particular area you have either gone for a future options or you have gone for a Nifty future long, right? Forget about option selling, just option buying, I'm just concentrating. So at this particular point, some people have bought 14,600 call, some people have bought 14,900 call, some maybe bought 14,950, and maybe someone got 15,100 call, right? So now let us see what is the profit I'm getting. Okay, so the maximum profit obviously the future will give, that is 3,750, right? See, so difference is 14,850 to high was 14,900, right? That was our target, it is achieved. So 50 points, right? So 50 into 75, that is 3,750 rupees. We are getting a profit in one lot future, right? Next, at 1900 strike price, see the 1900 strike price, 14,900, sorry, it is 14,900 strike price. Just see the difference. We have entered in 83 and the highest 103. So what is the difference? That is 20 rupees, right? So what is the profit we are getting? 1,500, right? Now we'll go at 14,950. See, 63 was our entry, 80, and it is 17 points profit, right? So that is 1,275. So 15,100. See, 23 rupees we entered, 30 rupees we exit, 7 rupees only profit we are getting. So 525 rupees, right? Next, we are coming to 14,600 CE. Okay, that is we got in 270 rupees, we are exiting at 306, that is 36 points, right? That is 2700. So any blind man also will tell you what is the maximum chances of like getting profit in option buying. Okay, so when you are buying a call option, just remember one thing, you have to go for in the money call options. Okay, what is in the money call option? So for example, if this is the strike price, 14,900 is our strike price. If you are going for buying a call, then you have to buy the below strike price call. Okay, that is just take 200 points, 300 points away strike price and buy that particular call option. Okay, see, similarly here I have written the investment amount also. So this, for this particular call option you need 20,000, for this one you need 6,000, right? And for again this one you need 4,000, 1,700, right? These are the investment level. So this particular, for example, this one, right, 14,000, 14,900, this was also in the money only, right? So just see here, 14,900, this was a strike price, this was our strike price, because 14,850, 8 price, these are all at the money, right? Because 14,850, the nearest strike price will be 14,900 only. Okay, so this is the at the money. So if you see here, just understand one thing. What I'm trying to say is, when you are buying a call option, always go for in the money call options. Okay, similarly, in the money means in a call option the strike price below that particular at the money. Okay, so whatever 14,900, if the Nifty is at 14,900, you should always buy a call of 14,800, 14,600, 700. More you go down, the more better accuracy, more better profit points will get. Okay, according to the Nifty future. So for example, if Nifty future is giving you 50 points in this particular trade, you have to like buy a certain option that could give you easily 40 points, right? Otherwise there is no use of it, because if Nifty future has given you up move of 50 points, see here, if you buy this particular call option, you'll get only 7 points, right? No use. Your 200 rupees will be going for brokerage and service taxes, right? So we should always buy a call in the money options, right? In this particular, in the money options, right? The strike price below this particular current levels, right? And similarly for put option, what we have to do is we have to buy out of the in the money for the put options, right? So for example, 14,900, any short trade if you get, you have to just buy for 15,000 put options, 15,200 put option, 15,050 put option, this many puts. So according to the put side, the upper side is the in the money, this is the out of the money. Okay, so out of the money means nothing, but there is no real value, but only the premium is left. Okay, so here if you see here, 14,500, we are making a long position in 14,900 level. So just imagine its entry price is 23 rupees. This is total premium, right? No real value is there. 15,100 call, actually it should be zero, because no particular level it is there. Only when it go above crosses 14,100 upside, then only this will have value, right? So this particular is having only the strike price, this particular strike price is having only the premiums, right, and nothing else. So that is out of the money, right? So we will never trade on out of the money call options. Okay, whenever we just focus on two things in option buying, don't ever do that mistake in buying the at the money or maybe out of the money. The best trade in your life would be if you buy in the money call options, okay, or the put options. Okay, so whenever you are going for a long position, so just let me come to the chart once. So suppose you take a breakout over here, right? So you took the breakout over here. So whenever you take a breakout, if you are going for long, just select this strike price, 14,800, 14,700, 14,600 strike price, and buy a call for this particular strike price. Okay, most people do a mistake buying this 14,500, because you can see the example, right? So 14,500, if you buy 500 15,100 if we buy, that will be 23 rupees, it getting converted to 30 rupees, right? So only 7 rupees profit, no use of it, right? But similarly, if we buy 14,600 rupees, just see 36 points we got easily, right? And the profit is around also, it's high. See, 500 rupees versus 2,700 rupees, right? That's a huge difference, same trade only, but two different prices, right? So my main focus of option buying will be those who are like trying to plan for option buying. See, it is not at all an issue, but you have to select the particular strike price. You can't expect you will invest 2,000 rupees in the market and the market will reward with you like for 4,000 rupees, 5,000. That is not at all possible. If you are going on a particular trade with 2,000 rupees call option, that will not give the exact return with a 20,000 rupees call option, right? So remember this thing very clearly. The more you invest in the market, the more you give it to the market, the better return you will get. Okay, so that's why see here, 1,40,000 is the investment amount. How much I am getting? 3,700, right? But here 20,000 is the investment amount, I am already getting 2,700. So this particular, see, option buying is very strong. I have no doubt on it. Okay, option buying is strong, but only the market has to be trending. That we can calculate, that we can see the price action and understand whether the market will be trending or not. But when the market is trending, I have to make money, right, in option buying. So in that that particular trade, never do the mistake in buying the out of the money call options or the put options. Okay, just see here, I have given you every details, right? No one will give this particular explanation at what price, if you enter at this particular strike price, what will be your profit, right? So make these points very clear on your mind. Whenever you are doing any intraday positions or any swing trade, just buy in the money call or put option. Okay, so thank you everyone. I'll be coming with more videos in options, so just stay focused and be very precise about this particular technique, that is we have to buy in the money options. Okay, so thank you everyone, have a good day, please subscribe the channel.